Good morning, bird brains. Today we're going on a poker run. Let's get into it. Trying out some new headphones today. Got these from Shure. They're actually musicians monitors because I figured musicians play in loud places that need noise drowned out, and they also have good audio quality. So I'm gonna be trying these out today, and maybe at the end of the episode, if I remember, I'll let you guys know how I like them. Alright guys, so we made it here to Alamo Cycleplex. It's kind of busy. There's a lot of bikes here. I think they said they're up to like 130 registrants, so I haven't actually done a poker run. I've been kind of at events that have them, but you sure your bike's on? Alright, cool. Yeah, I don't think I've actually ever participated in one, so kind of excited. Oops, GoPro's still on. There we go. But yeah, we got a riders meeting here in a couple minutes, so we're gonna go pay attention to that. Jasso should be here. He said he was gonna be here before 12, but we shall see. Those damn stragglers. He's late because he had to wash his bike because he came home from my house last night and he ran to the Texas Butterflies and his bike was completely covered. But check out this bike. Oh, I like that a lot. It's just vinyl stickers, but man, from 10 feet away, that looks awesome. I want that seat too. What's up, Saddleman? Let's talk. I want to get me one of those seats. All right, to the riders meeting. See shade over here. Alright, so we were on the bikes for a little over an hour. Made it here to the first stop. Got Jasso in the house now. He eventually showed up. Better late than never. And
had to wash the bugs off the bike.
Yeah, here's a picture of his bike from yesterday. It was pretty hilarious. But yeah, we're gonna go grab our envelope and figure out where the next stop is. He's got shotgun shells covering up the rust. Pick one.
Anyone? Let me have the card. Let me see your wristband, please.
All right, pick a card.
89, 89. Not Franco.
You know,
So,
why'd you write 69?
Because
What's on your head, man? What's on your mind?
410 Blanco. I'm good with that. 410 and Blanco, Twin Peaks. 410 and Blanco.
410 Blanco. All the way back to town. All right, we got our cards. Stop 1 down. Stop 2. It's at the Twin Peaks back in San Antonio. So back the way we just came, apparently. What hit you?
Flew out from the front end bike. Scratched my shit. And I didn't see it because I was with my 360 camera, but I saw it from the side. I don't know what it was.
Got no idea. I didn't feel anything or see anything.
I wasn't recording at all. I turned everything off.
All right, so we made it here to stop number 2. It was 99 degrees on the interstate. First week of September is what we deal with, guys. What we deal with. No, second week of September. Third week of September. Third week of September, and it was 99 degrees. But we made it here to Twin Peaks. Don't think we're gonna eat here. Probably gonna be way too long of a wait to get anything to eat. But I'm gonna go grab our second set of poker cards, playing cards, and then we'll figure out where we're going next. All right, stop number 2. Check. Stop number 3 is the 4-way stop out by Lake Hills, actually where my parents used to live, so heading on out that way. We made it here to the 4-way. That one wasn't too long of a ride. Went down Park 37, which you've seen on the channel a lot of times. Stop number 3, it's really hot, guys. I don't know if we're gonna make it because where we're at right now, for me, it's a 2-hour ride home. So we've already done a few hundred miles today. So I don't know. We're gonna grab a bite to eat here and probably make a game time decision after that. stop 4. Black Rifle Coffee Company here in Boerne, Texas. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, number 4, we got it. Now our last stop, our final stop is where we get our last card. I want you to leave it down in the comments right now. Who do you think is going to win? Jasso or me? Right now, leave it down in the comments. Jasso or Berg? Let's go. Alright guys, sorry I missed that last leg. My power pack has died on me after this long day. But we are here at Chicken in Pickle. It's a place where you can play pickleball and get some chicken apparently. Jasso thinks he's got this in the bag. I don't know guys, we're about to find out. Alright guys, well, bad news is I won, but it was on a technicality because they didn't let Jasso draw all his cards because he had such bad cards that it wasn't anything to begin with. I had a pair, so they were going for 3 of a kind, but I think it's safe to say we both pretty much just got a pair, or he could have had a pair, we don't know, but I won by a technicality, which is no fun, but it was still overall a fun day. Jasso, what do you think about poker runs?
It was fun. My first, popped my poker run cherry.
Me too. We popped it together.
Yeah.
There's just cherry juice everywhere.
Yeah. One for the diary.
Yeah. We'll probably do some more. That was a lot of fun. I wish today was Saturday though.
So we can get the other guys involved for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, the reason other guys couldn't come is Brad was off on a vacation somewhere and Ken had to work. But I think in the future, if we could plan one of these together with everyone, I think it'd be a whole lot more fun. But overall, good ride. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.